Jennifer, are you ready to rebuild? Jennifer, are you ready to rebuild?
Yes, yes.
Oh. Okay, now we're going to have to get the contractor.
Okay, we better go quickly. Mister.
We got the bricks?
Got the bricks, okay.
Okay.
What's the next step? What else do we need to do?
Let's see. Do we have mortar? For the
We need to
bricks?
get the mortar,
Okay.
and we got to make sure we have enough water to mix the mortar and all that stuff.
Right.
What time did the contractor say they were coming with the bricks?
Well, they should be here no later than about 10.
Okay, that sounds good.
Okay.
All right. Well, let's head on back to the house.
Okay.
Gender fashion. I tell you, look at that. Isn't that nice?
Oh.
Wow.
Well, we're sisters, and that's what we are.
Yes. Have you seen Carrie Underwood lately?
No.
Yeah, well, she's got this new video out. It's
Okay.
really cool.
Okay.
It's a little strange, but it's really cool.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, there's the doorbell.
Oh, I hope that's the.
Well, oh, good, they're here.
Well, hey, I'm a mailman and a contractor.
Well, thank you so much.
Here are so many bricks. They
Oh,
can
thank
grow.
you so much. Thank you.
They can grow.
Cool.
Thank
All
you
right,
so
all right.
much.
You better go
Thank
rebuild before dark.
All right, bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
They're doing such a good job.
They are.
I'll tell you
Look
what.
at that. That is amazing.
I would really like to. That's noisy out there, you know.
It is noisy.
Yeah. Wow.
Yes,
I
it
mean,
is.
Well, y'all are complete. I'll see you soon.
thank you so
Well,
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, have a great day.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
I am so glad it's all rebuilt.
What a relief.
Oh.
I know, and what a good job they did.
Yes, they did a good job.
After that destruction, we were so depressed, we had no idea. We were confused there for a while, but thank goodness we made it. I couldn't have made it without Jennifer.
Oh, thank you. I couldn't have made it without you, Katie. I mean,
Oh,
really.
thank you. Oh, how sweet. Thank you. Because we are sisters.
We're sisters.
Yes.
Yes. Well, let's go eat dinner.
Yes, I'm starving. Let's go. Let's do it.